going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm still making it. Today, we're going to do up some sweet fire chili oil infused chicken wings. It's going to be tasty. You know it's going to be good. Stick around. We're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your sweet fire chili oil infused chicken wings. Some chicken wings, of course, your Cosmos Dirty Bird, some fire chili oil, and some pineapple juice. First things first, we need to make our injection. So we're going to take some of our fire chili oil and pour some of that into our cup here. Next, we're going to take some of our pineapple juice to make it sweeter. There we go. Now, grab a chicken wing. There we go. Now, we're going to take those chicken wings, put them in this bag. Take that same marinade that we injected it with, pour it into the bag, then take our Cosmos Dirty Bird, pour in a couple tablespoons, close the bag up, mix it all together. Gonna put this in the fridge now for a couple hours, let it get all nice and happy, then take it out when it's time to cook. Alright, it's been 2 hours now. We're going to go ahead and take these out of the bag. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it up with a little bit more of that Dirty Bird. Flip them over. And now we're ready for the grill. We're going to use the Vortex today. So, going to go ahead and start lighting up the little cubes that I have in here. And there we go. Let those catch. And fires up the temp now. We're going to go ahead and start putting these on the grill. In 15 minutes, I'm going to flip over the chicken and keep turning the top in a clockwise pattern. Almost forgot. Applewood. And we're done. Let's go ahead and bite into one of these wings real quick. Definitely got that chili oil smell to it. So, picking up on that scent real quick. All that oil made the skin real crispy. So it's kind of like biting into some fried chicken. You got the heat from the oil. That pineapple juice took it down just a notch, but it's still very spicy. And that Cosmos Dirty Bird just meshed very well with this chili oil. Oh yeah, I'm going to do these combinations in the future. Just bring this to parties. People are going to love this, I guarantee it. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.